Dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, a problem is solved on computation of income from other sources. Kindly watch the video till then, like it, share. If you have any comments about the video, please put your comments in the comment box. Now, let's move to the whiteboard. This is an example for computation of income from other sources. This is a 50 marks question here. So the question runs like this here. The question runs like this. From the, let me stretch this here. This is a very long question here. From the following information furnished by Mr. Raghuram, compute his income from other sources for the assessment year 2021. So the details are as follows here. Dividend on shares of Indian company rupees 8,000. Then income from writing articles in magazines rupees 4,000. Then he lives in a rented house. House paying rent of rupees 6,000 per month. Since the house is too big, he has sublet one third portion of the house at a rent of rupees 3,000 per month. He pays municipal taxes rupees 1,500 and 1,500 on the whole house, and for repairs of the whole house rupees 2,700. Then the next one here, he received rupees 10,000 as interest on debentures of a company unlisted here. Then the next one here, he received rupees 10,000 interest as interest on the term deposit with a bank. Then he earned winnings from lotteries rupees 15,000 and also winnings from chess game rupees 3,000. Then next, F, he received rupees 12,150 as interest on debentures of a company in the bracket unlisted. Then next G, he received rupees 2,700 as interest on tax-free debentures of a company listed in a stock exchange. Then interest on Government of England bonds rupees 5,000. Then next I interest on POSB account rupees 500. Then J interest on the central government securities rupees 9,000. He received rupees 500 per lecture for 20 lectures delivered in a college. Income from undisclosed sources rupees 50,000. Collection charges paid on interest rupees 200. So this is a very long question here. So from this details we are required to find out the income from other source. So let's write down here computation of income from other sources. Name of the assessee, Mr. Ram Kumar. Previous year 2019-20. Then assessment year 2021. So let me insert. Now let us have discussion here. Dividend on shares of Indian company is exempt from the tax under section 10 subsection 34 here. Income from writing articles in magazines is taxable. He lives in a rented house paying a rent of ₹6,000 per month. So since the house is too big, he has sublet 1/3 of the house at a rent of ₹3,000 per month. So here in this problem we have got the income from subletting of the house, and any expenses incurred by the assessee relating to the sublet portion are deductible under section 57. Then he received rupees 10,000 as interest on the term deposit with the bank is chargeable to tax here. He earned winnings from lottery and winnings from chess game, both are taxable here. He received rupees 12,150 on debentures of a company, which is to be crossed up here because it is less tax. Commercial securities here. So we need to cross up this here. Then he received rupees 2,700 as a interest on taxable debentures. So interest on the same is to be crossed up. Interest on Government of England bonds is also chargeable to tax. Interest on POSB is exempted as the income is only rupees 500. It is exempted up to rupees 3,500 in case of single account and rupees 7,000 in case of a joint account. Then interest on the central government securities is taxable. He received rupees 500 per lecture for 20 lectures is also taxable here. Income from undisclosed sources is taxable. Collection charges paid on interest is deductible here. So now let's go for solving this here. So let me insert 3 columns here. So particulars rupees. So now let's go for by one here. So dividend on shares of Indian company is exempt, so let's not take this here. So income from writing articles in magazines, so which comes to rupees 8,000 here. So 8,000. Then we should go for the next one here. Income from subletting of a house. So he sublets at rupees 3,000 per month. So rupees 3,000 per month multiplied by 12. So let me put this in the bracket so that it can be clear to you people. So it is 36,000 here. So 36,000. Then the next one we should go for interest on the term deposit with the bank, so which is given as rupees 10,000 here. So 10,000. Then the next one here, winnings from lotteries, which is given as rupees 15,000. So 15,000. Then next, similarly, winnings from chess game, which is given as rupees 3,000 here. So 3,000. So the next here, interest on debentures of a company unlisted. So now it is we have given the net interest here, so it is to be grossed up here. So gross interest equals to net interest multiplied by 100. So let me underline this here, divided by 90 here. So let's substitute the values here. 90. So we have given the net interest received as rupees 12,150. So here 12,000 rupees, 12,150 multiplied by 100. So let me underline here again to mark it as divide here. Then divided by 90. So which comes to so 0 get cancelled here. It comes to 12, 9 ones are 9. So it comes to 13,500. So 13,500. 13,500. Then the next one we should go here, interest on tax-free debentures of a company listed. So for grossing up, whether it is listed or unlisted is not, it doesn't matter here. So gross interest equals to net interest multiplied by 100. So let me underline here this one here, divided by 90, because the rate of TDS remains same on both, that is listed and unlisted securities here. So there is no differentiation here. So now let's substitute the values in the formula so that we get here. So the net interest received, interest received, it is given as rupees 2,700. So 2,700 multiplied by 100. So let me underline here to divide this here. So 90 here, because the rate of TDS is 10%, so 100 minus 10 means, so 90, that will come here. So 90, it comes to rupees 3000 here, 3000. Then the next one here, we have got a interest on Government of England bonds. So rupees 5000 here, so 5000. Then the next one we have got here, interest on POSP is exempted here, interest on the central government securities, which comes to rupees here, which is given as rupees 9000 here. So 9000. Then he received lectures. So income from delivering lectures. So he has delivered 20 lectures at the rate of rupees 500 multiplied by 20 lectures. So 20 lectures, that comes to rupees 10,000 here. So 10,000. 1 minute. So it comes to 10,000 here. So 10,000. Then the next one here, we have got income from undisclosed sources. So income from undisclosed sources, so which is given the problem as rupees 50,000. So 50,000. Then we have got another collection charges, which is deductible here. So we need to find out the gross income here. So the gross income will be here rupees 1,62,500. So when we go on adding these things here, so let me make the spacing here, it will be more clear. So 1,62,500 will get here. So now from this deduct, we should deduct less deductions under section 57. So the expenditure which are incurred for the sublet of the house. So rent of sublet house. So it is rent is, so in the bracket, let me write here, rupees 6,000 per month into 12 into 1/3, 1/3. So that comes to here 24,000 here. So 24,000. Then the next one here, that is municipal taxes. Municipal taxes, it is paid on the whole house. So municipal taxes, again it is 1/3 of rupees 1,500. So 1,500 is paid on the whole house here. So rupees 500. And then similarly we have got the repairs. So repairs of the house. So we should take only the sublet portion, that's all. So 1/3 of rupees 3,000. Sorry, 1/3 of rupees 2,700. So which comes to 900 here. So 900. Then we have to take the next one, that is a collection charges, which is incurred for collecting the interest. So collection charges, so that is given as rupees 200. So 200. So now let's take the sum of this here. So 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 2, 16 So 25,600. So 25,600. So 25,600. When we subtract, we'll get income from other sources. So which amounts to rupees. So now here 1,62,500 minus 25,600, which comes to 1,36,900. So you can also check your 50 minus 6, 9 here, carry 1, 12 minus 6, 6, carry 1, 6 minus this 3. So now let's write the note here. So note number 1, that is dividend on shares of Indian company is exempted from tax under section 10 subsection 34. Then expenses related to sublet portion of the house are deductible. Then interest on POSB account is exempted to the extent of rupees 3,500 on individual account, and rupees 7,000 in case of joint account under section 10 subsection 15. Then the collection charges are deductible here. Then hope there are no notes to be mentioned here. So this is how we need to calculate the income from other source. So let me make them bold here. So let me central align here. So this is how it is calculated here. So this is a very simple problem. So just we should go point by point here, so that we can even income from undisclosed is taxable here. So this is how we need to compute the income from other source. Thank you.